Welcome. Today we're diving into how to view all shared links in a Telegram channel using your PC. If you're looking to easily access articles, videos, or any other resources shared in your favorite channels, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list and channels on the left side of the screen. Next, it's time to find the channel you want to explore. You can either scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the channel. Once you've found it, click on the channel to open it. Now that you're in the channel, look for the channel's name at the top of the screen. Click on it to open its info page. This page contains essential details about the channel, including its description, member count, and more. Once you're in the channel info section, look for the option labeled Links. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated space that shows all the links that have been shared within the channel. This feature is incredibly useful for accessing important resources without having to sift through countless messages. As you browse through the list of links, you'll see titles and possibly short descriptions that make it easy to identify what you're interested in. If you're looking for something specific, take a moment to scroll through the list and find what you need. When you find a link that catches your eye, simply click on it. The link will open in your web browser, allowing you to explore the content right away. This streamlined process helps keep all your valuable resources organized and easily accessible. And there you have it.